Hi guys, I know you can see from the look of things that I will be making for you guys some ice cream. Now in my ice cream I decided, no, this is a fight between whether I should use artificial flavoring or spirulina or the matcha. I have all three at home. I didn't know which one to use, but I decided I'll use the matcha with some pistachio. Now the matcha, I'm going to use a little bit of it to add the color, and also it has a lot of other nutritional values. I'm also going to be doing adding to the ice cream. Now I want you guys to follow carefully so you can understand the process of which I'm going to make the ice cream for you. For the stabilizer, all ice cream should use a stabilizer. No, because we're not going to use any eggs, I decided on using the guar gum. It's a very good product to use when you're making desserts like pies and ice cream, or you can use it as a thickener. No, also I'm going to use a little bit of pea protein. This is right here to give the ice cream its body, and of course all the other essentials. Let's get started in making the ice cream. Before, guys, please remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and put on your post notification bell so you don't miss an episode, right? All right, now for the first batch of coconut milk, I'm going to be making like a condensed milk kind of thing. So I'm going to reduce the coconut milk with sugar, put it to cool, and proceed. All right. Now to the milk, guys, we're going to add some sugar. All the ingredients should be listed in the description box. So what we want is a reduction of this. So it's going to take a little while before it reduces, but that's what we want. This is very important in the ice cream when you're making your own ice cream. All right. I deliberately didn't add any vanilla after adding the salt because I don't want it to evaporate while it's being cooked. Being that I'm not using the vanilla beans, I deliberately did this method. Now listen guys, this procedure is very important when you're making most vegan ice creams. Alright guys, this is half hour in. Now if it's it that you're going to do like a vanilla ice cream, now I suggest you use like a white vanilla, but the ice cream that we're doing is going to be green. So we're going to turn off the stove now and just add it and put it aside in the fridge. All right. And making ice cream, guys, it takes a lot of time, but I guarantee you it's going to be all worth your time. And I have a lot of ice cream recipes for you guys, but I just choose to do this one today. I hope you guys appreciate it. And let's put this in the fridge. I've had this coconut milk in the fridge for about 2 days. So what I'm going to do is just flip them over to get the liquid at the top and the solid at the bottom. This is what I mean when I say when you flip it over, what you'll see only liquid, right? The less water you have in the cream, the better it is for you guys. All right. And I mean, this one, I came up with this. I can make it 2 ways with the regular coconut cream, but I'm thinking you guys would want to see this one. This is super convenient, and as a matter of fact, you can even do this and put it down in the fridge for the kids. Super easy at this time. So we want only the coconut fat. Alright, we're just gonna whip it now to create a stiff peak. So what I want you to do is to add the sweetener gradually to the cream. So we're going to go ahead now and add half teaspoon of guar gum. This is the texture that we're going for, and if you look closely you can see some of the vanilla beans in it. So if you don't have any guar gum, you can use xanthan gum if that is available to you. Now we want to work quickly at this point. Alright, so we're going to go ahead now and add the matcha powder. We're going to start off with half teaspoon first because we don't want it to be overpowering. If you don't have an ice cream maker, guys, you can use the hand mix and mix it. It do take a little time to make, but it can work. All right, so we're just gonna add the cream to the machine. Alright, so now that the ice cream texture is changing, you can see we're going to add some of the pistachio and the chocolate nibs. Let's give it a test now, guys, to see how it's coming on. You can see how amazing the texture is looking. You see that? Not coming off the spoon at all. That's what we want. So you can always garnish with more nuts and chocolate. And you're also going to put some cling wrap on the top of it just to prevent any ice molecule from forming. Alright guys, our ice cream has fully set and I'm so excited to show it to you guys. Oh my god, guys, thank you so much again for even watching this video. Guys, I really do appreciate it. Until next time, bye.